Hey everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw XDC from Uphold to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Uphold and want to move it to Trust Wallet for better control or staking, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First, make sure you have both Uphold and Trust Wallet apps or websites open. Start by logging into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the XDC asset. It's usually listed under your wallet holdings. Click on XDC to select it. Next, open your Trust Wallet app. Go to the XDC wallet section. You might need to add XDC if it's not already there. Once you're in, tap on the Receive button to generate and copy your XDC wallet address. This is crucial, so don't skip it. Double-check that you're copying the correct address to prevent any errors. Now, head back to Uphold. In the XDC section, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Uphold. You'll also see network fees, so review those before proceeding. Hit the Confirm button, and Uphold will process your withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your Trust Wallet to see if the XDC has arrived. A quick tip: always use the correct network for XDC, which is usually the XDC network. If you're new to this, consider testing with a small amount first. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfers wisely. There you have it. You've successfully withdrawn XDC from Uphold to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.